Thanks for watching. If you have one of these, you're going to want to stick around. Let's get into it. So the Kremlin spray system is a very nice system. It's air-assisted airless, so it sprays really nice. And if you're a cabinet maker, you might already have this, or there's a good chance that you do. One thing that you love about this is the quality of the spray, and one thing that you hate about this is all these little stupid doodads. But we have 3D printed seals for these Kremlin spray systems. We print this out of PETG, and we've started with just this end one, the end seal, and if there's a lot of interest in this, we'll go and make the other seals as well. But this one also works for this inside seal as well. They're actually the same size, so this will cover both of those. And just hand tightening that on there. So these seals work for here. We're going to have this in our web store, so you can purchase the 3D model of this. It's a little bit tighter than the original, the ones that come with the gun. We did that because they like to fall off, so I did that kind of on purpose. So it's a little trickier to get on. Once it's on, you just twist on your air cap, and that's it. Works pretty much the same as the other washers. We haven't really had any issues, other than the fact that when it's brand new and the first time you use it, it's a little bit harder to get the thing off, the air cap off. But that's true with the originals as well, so I'm sure that won't cause any issues. So yeah, let's print some of these puppies. So if you want to be seal rich like I am, check out our web store and get seal rich. Thanks for watching. Have a great one.
If you're eager to dive deeper into Mozaik, enhance your shop, or explore the possibilities with CNC routers and 3D printing, you're in the right place. Your feedback drives our content, so subscribe to stay updated with the latest tutorials and tips. Watch out for our next video.